Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a musical instrument that's perfect for anyone starting their flute journey or looking for a reliable option for band or orchestra. This is the professional closed-hole C flute, designed with beginners, students, and even professionals in mind. Right off the bat, the build quality stands out. This flute is crafted from high-quality copper nickel material. It has a beautiful silver appearance and feels sturdy and durable in the hands. The surface has been treated with an antioxidant finish to prevent rusting, which is a great feature for long-term use. Plus, the nickel plating not only gives it that sleek, polished look, but also adds an extra layer of resistance, ensuring it holds up well over time and maintains its performance. Moving on to the sound, which is arguably the most important part. This flute features a beveled mouthpiece, which is designed to make it easier for new players to get a clear sound. The mouth hole has a rounded rectangular shape, specifically intended to enhance the tone in the lower register. The result is a sound that is described as clear, focused, and smooth, ideal characteristics for a beginner instrument. The description also mentions its superb craftsmanship and sophisticated technology contribute to producing a lilting sound, suggesting a pleasant overall tone quality. In terms of design and playability, this flute comes with 16 closed-hole keys. It features an offset G key and a separate E key, which are common configurations designed for comfort. The keys themselves are ergonomically shaped and positioned to fit the natural hand shape of a player, making it easier and more comfortable to navigate the instrument, especially during longer practice sessions. This ergonomic design makes it suitable for players of all levels, from absolute beginners to more experienced students. One of the great things about this offering is that it comes as a complete set. You don't just get the flute. The package includes a sturdy hard case with a handle for protection and easy transport, a cleaning cloth and rod to keep the instrument in good condition, a pair of white gloves, and even lubricant. This comprehensive kit provides everything a new player needs to get started and maintain their instrument, adding significant value. It's presented as a thoughtful gift option for someone you care about who is interested in music. This flute is presented as a versatile instrument suitable for a wide range of settings. Whether it's for private lessons, playing in a school band or concert band, participating in an orchestra, or even for holiday parties, its standard C key makes it appropriate. The keys are described as flexible and easy to operate, suggesting a responsive feel that can be used comfortably for extended periods. Overall, it seems like a solid, well-equipped option for anyone looking to start playing the flute or needing a reliable instrument for student-level performance.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.